Hello, Knoxville. Fred here again with Lightspeed Construction. I'm at an apartment complex in, I guess you call it North Knoxville, doing a roof inspection. I'll go ahead and get to it and show you a few of the things that I found on this roof. This roof is extremely old and in very, very poor condition. The shingles are actually cracking and blistering everywhere. I mean, almost on 100% of the roof. So I'll show you what I mean right here. This is, let me see if I can, there we go. These are cracks and they go straight through the shingle. They're here, see that? Get in there, see it a little better. It's so much harder to see on the camera than in real life, but they truly are everywhere. I just marked a few right there where you could see a few more. And like I said, these go straight through the shingle. Not all of them, but some part or another does go through the shingle. Right here we have exposed nails. Here, 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 and here. Obviously they're rusted. You can see they're rusted, and there's definitely water getting in right here and here, along with these. Right down through this valley, you can see more stress fractures right here. There's a pretty bad one that's completely through. I mean, that shingle's in two pieces. Right here, the nail is raising up on the corner of a pipe boot. You can basically see right underneath that edge. So that's access for water to, get right inside there. A blowing rain, easy for it to get inside there. Even water just coming down the roof, kind of sideways a little bit. This is going down, it's gonna get right up inside there. Right here, you can actually see the fiberglass. Let me get in a little closer. There we go. You can see the actual fiberglass. It looks like maybe a hail impact a long time ago. It could be from something else, but definitely straight through the shingle. That fiberglass is the last line of defense. So, fiberglass by itself is not waterproof, and that's all you're seeing right there is fiberglass. Come down here to the base of the roof. This is another crack in the shingle. As you can see, once again, I mean, it's in two pieces. It's completely cracked. Right here, I didn't mark this, but this is all sunk in. This whole area right here is sunk in. It is definitely, that is completely rotted. There's no doubt about it. If I put my weight on that right there, my foot would go straight through the roof. It's the same over here. I'm not sure if you can see that, but those holes right here and here go directly through the roof. I mean, I can see the wood decking from where I'm at. I'm not sure if you can or not. See if I can zoom in on that. Well, you kind of can. Anyway, you get the point. Here's another shingle. It's completely broke. It's fractured in two pieces. Same across here. And this right here is what we call blistering. This is from the shingles getting so hot from underneath and so hot from the sun beating on them that they actually cook in the sun and start to blister and pop. And you have this going on all over the roof, along with these stress fractures. Let's see, we'll go over to the top onto the other front side, which is just as bad. You can see they've had their shingles, their ridge cap shingles replaced at one point. And I will point this out as well. These are not the correct shingles that are supposed to be on here. These are actual architectural shingles. These are supposed to be ridge cap shingles. The reason why we use ridge cap shingles and not architectural shingles is because they're not meant to be bent on that angle, and they can tend to crack and break very easily. So that's why you're not supposed to put architectural shingles on your ridge cap. I think here's a couple more exposed nails. There's one there, there's one there. Like I said, this roof is in very, very poor condition. I don't know how it's not just leaking like a sieve inside. Right here, it's a crack all the way across right there. But with that said, that's the main part of it. There's water getting in right there. It is a very deep hole. Here's a nail pop of some sort. Either a nail pop or it just broke. I mean, it's one of the two. I'm not sure if you can see that, but this whole area that I circled is rotted. You can see it dips way down. It's probably from this right here. I'm not sure if you can see that, how bad that flex is, but water's pouring in this. I mean, you can see me pushing down on that. I can see underneath the shingle, and it goes underneath the shingle underneath that. So this whole area, yeah, I could put my foot through that easily. It wouldn't even take much pressure. Over here, we got same thing going on. More rot, as you can see that. And it's probably getting in right here. That's a hole straight through the shingle, just from it being extremely old. So they're starting to crack and break and wear out. Here's another one right here. And you can see how deep these stress fractures are. They go straight through the shingle and into the one underneath of it. That's all I got for you right now on this section of the building, and I'll be back for the rest of the report on the rest of the buildings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.